They scraped over 2 million songs. The artists never said yes, and for a year, nobody could prove it, until a hacker leaked the code. Suno is one of the biggest AI music generators on Earth. A finished song from a single sentence. It exploded. And that is exactly what scared the people who own real music. Suno's story was always the same. Trained on publicly available music. Original creation. Fair use. Then, in November, someone broke in. A worm called Shai Hulud, one compromised employee, and Suno's private source code walked out the door. Last week, 404 Media published it. And the code told a very different story than the marketing. The files describe a fire hose, over 2 million YouTube music clips, pulled through rented proxies to dodge YouTube's blocks, tens of thousands of hours from Deezer, Genius Lyrics, 400,000 podcasts. To get clean, unmixed vocals, they went hunting for one thing in particular, the a cappella versions. But one file mattered more than the rest. A dataset of 55,600 tracks, licensed for non-commercial research only. Jamendo says it billed Suno $18 million for a commercial license. Suno acknowledged the invoice, then never paid. And there it was, named inside the leaked code. Non-commercial use only. For everyone, apparently, except the billion-dollar AI company. To be fair, these are leaked files, not a signed receipt from the finished model. Suno calls the code outdated and says scraping is fair use. A judge decides that this summer. Because the hack didn't just embarrass Suno, it handed its enemies the evidence. The record labels sued in 2024 and just added 61,000 more recordings. Jamendo sued in June. The independent artists filed their own class action. The receipts just went public, for all of them. And it wasn't only artists. The same breach exposed hundreds of thousands of Suno's own users, emails, phone numbers, payment details. Suno never told them. This was never only about music. If scraping the whole internet to build a product is fair use, every AI company wins. If it isn't, they all owe. One courtroom decides. They said the music came from nothing. A hacker showed the bill. Now, the artists have their receipts.